Friends, welcome back to our channel. Right, so today we are discussing the storyline of our second lessons part 2, that is the Shahnai of Bismillah Khan. Right, let's begin. Right, first we have uh, before you read, that's pre-reading activity. Yes, that activity is, do you know these people? What instrument do they play? Right? So, first person, I just want you to write the names which I am saying now in there itself. With near to that picture, you can point out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then later you can, by the side only, you can write the name of that maestro. Right? Maestro means the one who is having a full of deep knowledge in the music instrument, right? Maestro. Yes. So first one, we have Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Yes, he is playing flute. He plays flute. Then we have Utsad Vilayat Khan, who is playing sitar. Then here we have two ladies, Miss Lalita and Miss Nandini. Miss Lalita and Miss Nandini, they both are playing violin, right? Then after that we have Zakir Hussain, the great Zakir Hussain we have, and he plays tabla. Then fifth one we have Utsad Utsad Amjad Ali Khan, who plays Sarod. Then we have sixth one, Kunnakudi Waliyat Nathan. Kunnakudi Waliyat Nathan. Yes, who is playing violin. Then after that we have Utsad Sultan Khan. Seventh one we have Utsad Sultan Khan, who plays Sarangi. Sarangi, Sarangi, right? So last one, eighth person we have, that is our you know uh, hero, or the main character of our second part of the lesson, the sound of music, that is Bismillah Khan. Ustad Bismillah Khan. Ustad Bismillah Khan, who plays Shahnai. Okay, let's begin our discussion. Okay, I hope you all have completed the vocabulary activity which I have given you yesterday. Right, I hope so. If you have completed, please write. Please write today's test. I have sent a question paper to you through the WhatsApp groups. I just want you to complete that test, then send the answer back to me. Right, then let's begin discussion on the storyline. Emperor Aurangzeb. Right, I hope you all know Aurangzeb belongs to which dynasty? Which dynasty? Mughal dynasty. Emperor Aurangzeb banned the playing of musical instrument called pungi. Yes, there was a instrument called pungi during the reign of Emperor Aurangzeb. Yes, he banned the playing of that in the royal residence. Royal residence means palace, for it had a shrill, unpleasant sound. Because it was having a shrill. Shrill means what? Totally unpleasant sound. Shrill means high intensity, right? That pungi was giving high, unpleasant, high, levels, bad sound. Then pungi became the generic name. Pungi became generic name of the reeded noisemaker. That reeded means what? Reeded means it's a wind instrument like a flute, right? It's having a holes. That reeded means, reed means hole itself. Okay, few had thought that it would one day be revived. Few people have thought that revived means what? It may come back to the existence, come back to the life, or some may bring to conscious, right? A barber of a family, professional musician, right? A barber of a king's family. He was a professional musician also, who had access. Access means who had a permission to the royal palace to come. Decided to improve the tonal quality, right? That sound, how it produces, the tonal quality of the pungi. That barber decided to change the tonal quality of the pungi. That's what he chose, a pipe. He took a pipe, a natural hollow. Natural hollow means what? having a hole or empty space inside, not outside, inside, right? Then he chose a pipe with a natural hollow stem that was longer and broader, which he has taken, that was longer and broader. Then the pungi and made 7 holes. He made a 7 holes to it. Okay, he made a 7 holes on the body of that pipe. Which pipe he has taken, he just made 7 holes to that. Then when he played on it, closing and opening some of the holes, soft and melodious sounds were produced. So when he started playing that, what he was doing, just opening and closing the sum of the holes, and that was producing the melodious sounds, right? He played the instrument before the royalty and everyone was impressed, right? So in front of the king, he played it once, so all the people including the king were impressed. The instrument so different from the pungi, that instrument was little so different from the pungi, had to given a new name. It's not a pungi, so it has to have the new name. That's what, as the story goes, since it was the first played in that Shah's chamber, it's played in the Shah's chamber at first. That's what Shah's chamber, and was played by the Nai. Nai means a barber. Yes, as you know, that barber decided to change the tonal quality of the pungi. That's what he invented this, right? So Nai, the instrument was named Shahnai. Shahnai means Shah's chamber. It played in a Shah's chamber who played Nai. That's what it became, Shahnai, right? Okay, I hope you all have understood until this. Okay, we can all discuss the next part in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. I just want you to complete that weekly work which I have given to you through the WhatsApp, right? With that, I just want you to read the whole lesson once again, right? If you didn't understand, please write in the comment section which particular line you didn't understand, or which particular paragraph. Already I have completed only one paragraph, right? I will clear you, right? Thank you for watching this video.